Hey traders, quick update on Internet Computer. It's down about 58% over the past year, and compared to its all-time high of $750 a few years ago, it's now sitting near $2.20. That's a huge drop, showing strong bearish momentum right now. Markets can change, but for now, caution is key. Always do your research and stay smart with your investments. ICP trading signals are in, solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.